How to create a watch list on Trading 212. Welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to create a watch list in Trading 212, it's actually pretty simple. First of all, launch open the Trading 212 app on your phone or tablet, or you can also open it up on your browser and make sure to log into your account. Once you landed in the homepage of Trading 212, go ahead and tap on this little plus icon at the top, and this will open up this Create Watchlist pop-up. Go ahead and enter your watchlist name and click Create. Once you do that, you'll be able to create a new watchlist. Now click on Add Instruments and start adding instruments to your watchlist. Just select the instruments and tap the three dots on the top right and tap on Add to Watchlist. Select your watchlist you've created just now to add them to your new watchlist. Repeat this step for every other instruments you want to add to your new watchlist. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.